Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable pesto pasta. We'll start by gathering all the fresh ingredients needed for a flavorful pesto. Then, we'll prepare your chosen vegetables, ensuring they are cooked to perfection. Next, I'll guide you through cooking the pasta just right. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly satisfying and easy-to-make dish. Let's begin by crafting our fresh pesto. In a food processor, combine fresh basil leaves, toasted pine nuts, and a couple of garlic cloves. Pulse until finely chopped. Then, add grated Parmesan cheese and slowly drizzle in extra virgin olive oil until you reach a smooth, vibrant green consistency. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Now, let's prepare our vegetables and pasta. Chop your favorite veggies, like cherry tomatoes, zucchini, or bell peppers, into bite-sized pieces. Sauté them in a pan with a little olive oil until they are tender crisp, bringing out their natural sweetness. Meanwhile, cook your pasta in generously salted boiling water until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water before draining. It's time to bring everything together. Once your pasta is drained, add it directly to the pan with the sautéed vegetables. Now, spoon in your freshly made pesto and toss everything gently until the pasta and vegetables are beautifully coated. If the sauce seems a little thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water to achieve your desired consistency. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.